learners. A warm welcome to the HMID5003 Principles and Practices of Instructional Design course. I'm truly delighted to have you join us this semester on MyInspire. Thank you for bringing your passion for learning. In this course, you will have the opportunity to explore the essential principles and practices of instructional design, which play a crucial role in creating effective and engaging learning experiences. Together, we will discover how these principles translate into real-life applications and inspire innovative solutions to educational challenges. Moreover, you will be introduced to innovative techniques and methodologies that will equip you with the skills needed to design impactful educational materials. Throughout the semester, you will have interactive Google Meet meetings, engaging e-lessons, and enlightening informed sessions with your peers and e-tutor. Our goal is to ensure that you have a meaningful and enriching learning experience. To support your learning journey, your e-tutor and I have carefully curated a wide range of e-learning resources that have been uploaded and embedded on your course site. Please take your time to explore these valuable materials at your own pace. I encourage you to actively participate, share your thoughts, and feel free to ask questions during your online sessions. Your contributions are highly valued and they will build a dynamic learning environment for all. Rest assured, we are here to guide and support you throughout the course. If you have any queries or need assistance, please don't hesitate to bring your questions on the online forums or meetings or simply email to us. We are excited to meet you soon. Let's make this learning journey both rewarding and enjoyable. Happy learning!